Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kris here with Kurls with Kris, and this week I am bringing you my March BoxyLUXE box unboxing. So wow, I said box a lot of times, but yeah, so this box is definitely bigger than our normal box. Per the usual, I went ahead and snipped it with my scissors, but I have not looked in here yet. I actually only just got the box out of the mailbox yesterday, so I haven't really had time because I've been super busy with work. So I really just want to go ahead and jump right into it. Before we go though, I want you to make sure that you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you do not ever, and I mean ever, miss a video. Okay, sis? Do not miss a video. We drop videos twice a week, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So like I said, this is the size of the box. So you know this is definitely a sizable difference from the normal size box that we normally get. Pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. You can, ooh, my card fell out, but let me show you the card that we got. Clearly, St. Patrick's Day vibes. That is the vibe we're going for this month, is lucky. And just so you know, I did post a St. Patrick's Day makeup inspired video. I will go ahead and link it here so that you can definitely click on that and you can check out how I did my look that I'm going to be doing on St. Patrick's Day, sis. Okay? So this box, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. So I'm gonna use my card as my guide and we're gonna jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing I got is this Barbarella eyeshadow palette. This is so pretty, y'all. Look at this. So let me go ahead and slide this bad boy out so we can see what she's looking like, okay? Y'all, my palettes, I know I say this all the time, but I really have like so many palettes. I went from having like 3 or 4, which some people would also say is still a lot, but for me that's not a lot because some of them were even old. I went from having that many to having like maybe like between 10 and 15. So that's a lot. That's a big difference. So this particular, these colors are so pretty. It's one random blue color in here. I'm not sure what that's about, but it's very, very pretty. And I'm definitely loving it. So if you guys would like to see a video on how I do this look when I do it, please let me know. Okay, so for whatever reason, my camera literally just stopped. I don't know why. But so yeah, so I basically put the eyeshadow palette away, but if you want to see how I use that palette, because I'm definitely going to do that blue color that I was showing you with my camera conveniently cut off, please just let me know in the comment section below, or just hit the like button and I know that you guys will want to see a video on that look. So the second thing that I also was in depth talking about was the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. So this retails at $42 and it's a concentrated formula. This concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. So I like that it is vegan, and this silky water gel serum features a unique blend of plum hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for a deep hydration. I love a kind of sort of like a gel based facial serum. That's my thing right now, okay? And that retails at $42. So the next thing that I was raving about before I realized that my camera cut off was that I got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. Like, dog, I am so happy about this. I don't know why, but I could never find like my true color in the store. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try this one in the video where I do that eye color, and we're gonna see how this does on me, because the last time I tried to get it in the store, they either didn't have this color or the person was telling me that it didn't match or something, so I didn't get it. So this retails at $36 and it says this long wearing lightest air foundation gives skin an instantly smooth, pore diffused, shine free finish. All of those are my claim to fame, okay? I love pore diffuse, I love shine free, and I love smooth, okay? This oil-free formula is made with climate adaptive technology that's resistant to sweat, I need that, and humidity. I need that, and it won't clog your pores, and we all need that, okay? So wherever you are, it's going to work on your skin. I cannot wait to try this, y'all. Like, I am so excited about this. Like, so excited. Okay, so the next thing that I got is the Dew of the Gods Froze Body Scrub. So, okay. So it's an iced rose body scrub. And this retails at $22. This is what the packaging looks like. And it says, let's acknowledge how amazing Froze is. Rose wine plus sugar plus ice plus cute and pink. Genius! That's the vibe of the Froze body scrub. It's a summer staple for optimal tan management, silky smooth skin, and literally just fun in the tub. I cannot wait to use this. I did end up using the other scrub, the coffee one that I was raving about. So you know what? I'm definitely gonna try this. And I also just started using the Yoga body wash, and I actually really love that one too. So we're gonna try this one out too, y'all, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it is. So the next thing that I got in this box is a Solil Hair Tools mini heat brush. So I'm guessing that's what this is, and this is like this is what it looks like, and I'm guessing it's one of those heat brushes that you can basically blow dry your hair with just the brush. I don't have one of those, so I have never used it before. So this one says it has this actually retails at $150, y'all. I don't know how I got so lucky with this particular box. I've been hitting all the targets with my Boxy Charm boxes, okay, y'all? So this Solil mini heat brush is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. It's as powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to quickly and easily guide through your hair. Safe for all hair types. Welcome to your new favorite hair tool. And I was actually saying that I wanted to straighten my hair after I washed this out, whenever that will be. This is so cute, y'all. It is very, very small, so I don't know how I would use this on like because it's the same size as my hand. See, it's basically the same size as my hand. But I'll give it a try, and I'll let you guys know how I like it. And like I said, it retails at, now I can't get back in here, it retails at $150. So we got 3 more products. So the next one is the Beauty Bakery Blending Egg Beauty Sponges. Y'all, I'm so excited. Look at this. I look at these all the time on Instagram, and I always want to get it, and I always say I'm gonna come back to it or whatever, and I never do. But y'all, I got a set of blending eggs. Like, y'all, that's crazy. I'm glad I didn't buy them, because girl, what are you even giving right now, Boxy Charm? Okay, what are you even giving? So you know I'm opening these up so we can see what we got. Let's see what they look like. So the Beauty Bakery Blending Egg Beauty Sponges. Get your beat on. It's soft and comfy, allowing you to get cracking on that beat. Cooked up with you in mind, blending eggs are uniquely created to fit in the palm of your hand for seamless blending. Blending eggs will be your new favorite tool for extraordinary caking that's hard to beat. These retail at $18. And y'all, the brand is Beauty Bakery. Please go look at their Instagram. Everything is so super cute that you just want to have it. Look at these. I got all of these beauty. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I'm going to open up one just so we can see what they feel like. It feels so soft. It doesn't feel the exact same as my beauty blender, but we might can work with this, y'all. Sis might can work with this, because I need to get rid of my beauty blenders anyway, because they're a little trifling. They need to be thrown out. And I got 6. Like, y'all, I'm so pressed. And how cute is this packaging? It literally looks like a little carton of eggs. I'm so excited for this. And like I said, this set, I'm assuming, retails at $18. When if you ever had like a beauty blender, not to compare, they cost $18 for one. So just letting y'all know. So let's put this back. So the next thing that's on our Our info card is the Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. Define and fill your lips with this unique teardrop shaped lip liner. This is the packaging. Narrow at the tip for precision and wider at the bottom to fill. It's infused with clean, good for you ingredients like vitamin E to protect from free radicals, boost circulation, smooth fine lines, and keep lips pillowy. Like I said, this retails at $18. So we just have one. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what was going on with my other camera, so I'm filming this portion on my phone, but we only got one more product, so we're good. Yes, so this last product, which is in this bottle, is the Skincare Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. So this is what it looks like. This is what the bottle looks like, and I will link it in here, but since it's a little bit crazy now. But this 24 karat gold and biodegradable glitter stars lip plumping mask will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips. Retails at $42. Now I could see the little glitter in here, and I was like, I don't know about that, because I don't like no glitter. I don't like no glitter like that. So but yeah, let's see how this smells. Definitely has peppermint in it, so you're definitely going to be getting a tingling sensation. And this is what the inside looks like. I guess you can't really see it, but so yeah, those are all the products. This retails at $42. So these are all of my products. So my favorite ones from this box is going to be my blending eggs. Actually, I love all of this stuff. I was going to say my blending eggs. Oh, and then my Fenty. Oh, and then my hair styler, my brush. So I think I should just say that I think this is one of my best boxes yet, because anytime I get all of this stuff plus a eyeshadow palette, it's a good box. It's safe to say it's a good box. So I'm trying to get this back in here, but this is gonna go. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the products that I got. So please like and comment in the section below if you guys have any questions for me about this box, and let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all want to see a look using only these products, like my foundation, my eyeshadow palette, my lip pencil, let me know what y'all are thinking. I definitely would love to know what you guys want to see, so I can go ahead and make that happen. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.